You have 47 tabs open. Your to-do list has 23 items. And you're watching this video instead of doing any of them. Sound familiar? You're not lazy. You're just using the wrong strategy. Today, I'm teaching you the 2-minute rule, a stupidly simple hack that's going to change everything. You wake up thinking, today's the day. I'm going to be productive. You make a list. Maybe you even number it. And then, nothing. That email feels like climbing Mount Everest. That report feels impossible. Even replying to a text suddenly requires the energy of 1,000 suns. So, you scrolled Instagram instead. Here's what's actually happening. Your brain sees a task and calculates the effort required. Big tasks trigger discomfort, so your brain avoids them. It procrastinates. It says, I'll do it tomorrow. But there's a loophole. What's the solution? The 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. No exceptions. Right now.
That email? 2 minutes. Send it. Washing that dish? 2 minutes. Wash it. Making your bed? 2 minutes. Make it.
But here's the real power. The 2-minute rule isn't just about small tasks. It's about momentum. Your brain doesn't understand the difference between starting and finishing. Once you start something, anything, your brain becomes obsessed with completing it. Starting is the hard part. Continuing is automatic. Here's how you actually use this. Step 1. True 2-minute tasks. Tasks that genuinely take 2 minutes or less? Stop putting them on lists. Do them immediately. This clears mental clutter. Every undone task drains your energy, like a browser tab running in the background. Step 2. The 2-minute starter. For bigger tasks, commit to just 2 minutes of work. Need to write a report? Write for 2 minutes. Need to exercise? Exercise for 2 minutes. Here's the secret. You'll almost never stop at 2 minutes because starting breaks the procrastination cycle. Step 3, the decision rule. When a new task appears, ask, can I do this in 2 minutes? Yes, do it now. No? Schedule it or break it down. The 2-minute rule makes tasks so small that your brain can't justify avoiding them. 2 minutes? That's nothing. That's less time than scrolling TikTok. Your brain stops resisting because there's nothing to resist. And once you start, momentum takes over. Here's your challenge. For the next 24 hours, follow the 2-minute rule religiously. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. For bigger tasks, commit to just 2 minutes of work. By tomorrow, you'll have accomplished more than you did all last week. Not because you worked harder, but because you finally worked smarter. Stop overthinking. Stop planning. Just take 2 minutes, right now. What's one thing you can do in the next 2 minutes? Go do it.